Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Walid bin Muhammad Nazman. I'm from Sameh, DKR. So today, basically, I'm going to make a video about job sheet one. So job sheet one, we're basically um, doing introduction to alternating current and voltages. So this is D3000 1.2 AC circuit, first module. So we're using this circuit, which is built-in circuit, and we're using um, what the job sheet need. Okay, so this we're going to this. This is signal generator, so which is a generic signal to our circuit, and this is oscilloscope, digital oscilloscope. So oscilloscope is basically what the signal generator output. So we use oscilloscope to read the signal. We can adjust with whether sinusoidal, um, sinusoidal, square, and also triangular. Okay, so last but not least, this is multimeter. So multimeter in our job sheet one is basically we use the multimeter to basically measure the voltages in this circuit, and to use the VRMS and so on. So the data that we got, for step 6 is peak to peak value of trace is 2.6 division, peak to peak voltage is 1.6 volt, 1.9 volt, peak voltage is 0.65 volt, and for step 9 to 8, for multimeter RMS value for 1 volt is the oscilloscope peak values is 0.65. For 2 volt is 1.88, and for 4 volt is 3.91. For step 11, oscilloscope reading for V peak is 2.88 volt, and for oscilloscope reading for V volt peak to peak is 5.76. Okay, and for step 12, multimeter reading for VRMS for sinusoidal waveform. So in step 12, we're using basically 12 volt for peak to peak, and basically for sinusoidal waveform we got 4.06, triangular waveform 3.32 volt, for square waveform is 5.72 volt. So the multimeter reading, we're using the multimeter and we connect it to the circuit. So the conclusion that I can make is that in this job sheet one, we learn how to use all the equipment carefully, and not to forget, we learn that how to determine which one is duty cycle, which one is peak to peak voltage. For example, peak to peak voltage is from the top to bottom, which means basically peak to peak voltage is the max voltage times 2, or peak to peak voltage we divide it by 2 to get peak voltage. So all in all, it is quite an experience that I got. So I hope I can do this again in the future. See you guys in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.